Всем привет! Welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. Okay, so this video is very quick. I wanted to do a video in terms of like, what do you do with cake scraps? So I bake a lot, so I've got a lot of cake scraps. So I decided to make a video with brownies. So you can make actually brownie from your cake scraps. You don't have to throw them away. So yeah, I wanted to show you how to do it. And if you were ever in a situation where you get loads of cake scraps, why not make these delicious chocolate brownies? Now let's get started. So right here I have a bag of loads of different cake scraps. I don't want to throw them away, so I want to make some brownies with it. So take your cake scraps. I'm going to do this in 2 turns. I'm adding half of them into my food processor, and you do need a food processor to make it nice and crummy. And then we're going to blitz everything together until you start to see nice crumbs just like this. Then add your cake scraps into a large bowl, and then I've done the same with my other half and adding it all into a large bowl here. Then add your sugar and cocoa powder if you did want to make them chocolate. Then add melted butter, and you're going to whisk this all together for a few minutes until the mixture combines together. You don't need to whisk for too long, just a little bit to mix everything. And the mixture is pretty dry, so at this stage you do want to add your eggs. And then whisk everything one more time until the mixture becomes nice and even and quite smooth and spreadable. And now you want to transfer your wet mixture into your food processor one more time, and the whole cake scrap mixture will fit in this time as it's wet. And we're going to blitz this for about 5 minutes or so, depending on your food processor, until the mixture becomes nice and smooth, just like this, and looks like a proper chocolate brownie mixture. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Here I have aligned a parchment paper onto my baking tray, and I'm not putting any oil or anything like that because you don't need to. Just put your mixture inside and spread it around evenly. It doesn't matter what pan size you have, it's just how much mixture you're going to have and how many cake scraps you have. So just spread it out evenly in any pan that you use. And then to add flavor, you can add chocolate chips, or I'm adding some pecan nuts because I love pecan nuts and chocolate brownies together. We're going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350, or until you see that your mixture has been cooked and it's ready. You can check with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's done. Place them to cool down for a few minutes, and then you can slice right into them. They're very different from the standard brownie that you'd make. They're much more fudgier, they're more like cakey, they break apart really, really well. They taste absolutely delicious, and they are much sort of heavier. So very, very yummy, guys. Nobody would be able to tell that you used cake scraps. And if you need a recipe idea, I hope I provide that for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave the comments down below if you loved this video, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys.